So I want you to lie down. I want you to extend your arms, keep your legs nice and straight. Now, this works your core, the whole midsection. I want you to put your head nice and straight and down. Then I want you to lift everything and squeeze your butt and your upper body and your lower back. So here we go. Lift and hold it there. Now I'm going to give you the amount of seconds I want you to do in your routines. Just do it. If it hurts, come down, rest a second, take a breath, and go back up. It's supposed to hurt. We want to strengthen the area. No pain, no gain. Legs nice and straight. Your feet, just keep them relaxed or however you feel comfortable. Make sure that everything is lined up. You don't want your arms out. You want them inward. Shoulder, elbow, wrists, all lined up. And squeeze that button back. And legs are nice and straight, slightly bent knees. And hold it there as high as you can on both sides. I want you to breathe how you're comfortable. Just breathe comfortably.